What if a tidal wave of molasses swept through your city? On January 15, 1919, in Boston, a massive storage tank holding over 2 million gallons of molasses burst unexpectedly. A sticky brown wave, up to 25 feet high, raced through the streets at 35 mph, crushing buildings and trapping people in its path. The disaster killed 21 people, injured 150, and left an unforgettable scent lingering for decades. The Great Molasses Flood remains one of history's strangest industrial accidents, proving that even something as sweet as molasses can turn deadly in an instant.